Very, very interesting item here. It's a old Braille typewriter from the, I think, 1930s. Gem made, beautiful, still in working order. So if you know how to write with Braille, or if you're just interested in something like this, it's a great little item. You load the paper in here, these little catches, and then as you wind it in, it will lock down, and what you do is you wind your paper all the way in until it locks, and you won't wind it any further. And then you set yourself ready to go, pushing it all the way to the right, and then you have the Braille combinations here, and that's your space button. So yeah, it's still in working order, complete working order, beautiful item, beautiful craft, collector's item. Yeah, I hope you're interested in buying it, whether you wanted it for a collection or to use it. Great piece.